What up, guys? Mike G with MDG Collections on hand. Today, ladies and gentlemen, the Thinkware Dash Cam F770 year review. I've had this camera for over a year. It has been nothing but great. It records like it's supposed to. It records your actual incidents how it's supposed to onto the SD card, and it keeps them saved there as an event until you go and check that event. Now, this camera has been in every climate that you can think of, from fall all the way through harsh winters, all right, 15, 14, 13 degree weather, even down to the single digits, all right, all the way back through spring, and then now through summer. We've started summer, all right, 90 plus heat waves that we had a few weeks ago. Just to show you guys that dash cams can help you out. They can prove stories, and they can show exactly what's happening. So front and back, as you guys know, I have the rear camera. I'll show you right now. There's the rear camera in the back right there, right in the center. That's the rear camera, and this is the actual front camera right here. All right, that's up here. This is the dash cam for the front of the car, and the camera still performs properly. I highly recommend it. It's a great camera. I'll show you guys one clip that I picked up. This would have been for insurance purposes for anybody else. All right, I was on my way to work. There was a guy driving completely reckless. All right, from the back, it's early in the morning. I'm trying to go to work. I'm half asleep, but I'm still doing what I got to do. I look in my mirror. I see some guy flying. He's coming from way back. He blows by me, goes past me, goes in front of me, weaving in and out of cars. And then all of a sudden, I just see people breaking up ahead, and all this smoke just coming up out of nowhere. And sure enough, he lost control. This guy's flying in the early morning. I think a van jumped in front of him. He's driving reckless, completely reckless. So the dash cam picked up all of that, and I'll show you guys those clips right now. So guys, that's the 1 year review on my Thinkware Dash Cam F770. I highly recommend it. It is a very reliable dash cam. Like I said, it records incidents. It picks up on red light cameras and speed cameras. It will warn you 300 to 600 meters ahead of time, and you will get a tone to let you know that was it. All right, the price may have dropped now. You guys can check that now, but when I got it, it was basically $400. All right, so that's $200 for the rear camera that you see right here, and then the other $200 for the front camera. 1080p night vision, wide angle lens. You can see crystal clear. Thank you guys for the support. Like, comment, share, subscribe. And until next time, ladies and gentlemen, that's gonna be a wrap.